In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Microsoft Word on your computer, a process that should take about 5 minutes from start to finish. This guide is designed to be comprehensive, providing you with step-by-step instructions to ensure you can access and use Microsoft Word with ease. Whether you're preparing to draft a document for work, school, or personal use, knowing how to quickly open Microsoft Word can streamline your productivity and enhance your workflow. Firstly, the journey to opening Microsoft Word begins with the Windows Start menu. For those who might not be familiar, the Windows Start menu is essentially the gateway to all the programs and features your computer has to offer. You can find it at the bottom left corner of your screen, typically symbolized by the Windows logo. A simple click on this icon will reveal a world of applications at your fingertips. Once the Start menu is open, you'll notice there is a search bar at the bottom. This is where you will take your next step. Click into this search bar and simply type Word. As you begin typing, Windows will dynamically search for applications that match your input, making it easier to find what you're looking for without having to dig through multiple menus. It's a streamlined process designed to make accessing your applications faster and more intuitive. After typing Word in the search bar, you'll see Microsoft Word appear as a top result. It's likely to be the first option, but if for any reason you have multiple applications starting with Word, look for the iconic Microsoft Word logo. This logo is unmistakable, often represented by a blue background featuring a white W. Upon identifying Microsoft Word in your search results, the next step is straightforward. Click on it. This action signals your computer to launch the Microsoft Word application, bringing you closer to starting your document. Following your click, Microsoft Word will begin to open on your screen. For those using Microsoft Word for the first time, or if it's been a while since your last update, you might experience a slight delay as the application initializes or updates its features. This is perfectly normal. Microsoft Word, like many modern software applications, frequently updates to introduce new features, improve security, and enhance user experience. Once Microsoft Word has successfully opened, you're almost ready to start drafting your document. At this stage, the application may present you with various templates to choose from, ranging from blank documents to pre-structured formats for resumes, letters, and more. If you're opening Word with a specific document in mind, feel free to select the relevant template. However, if you're just looking to start with a clean slate, selecting a blank document is the way to go. And just like that, you've opened Microsoft Word on your computer. It's worth noting that the first time you open Word after installation or a major update, the application might take you through a brief welcome or setup process. This may include signing in with a Microsoft account, which can be beneficial for accessing additional features like cloud storage through OneDrive or collaborating with others online. While these steps are generally quick and straightforward, they're important for ensuring you get the most out of your Microsoft Word experience. In closing, opening Microsoft Word is a simple process that can be completed in just a few steps. From clicking the Start menu and typing Word in the search bar to clicking on the Microsoft Word icon and selecting your preferred document type, each step has been designed with user convenience in mind. Remember, the first time you open Word, it might take a moment longer as it prepares the application for use, but this minor wait is a small investment for the productivity gains ahead. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on how to open Microsoft Word on your computer. Whether you're composing a novel, compiling research, or drafting a business report, the ability to quickly and efficiently open Microsoft Word is an essential skill in today's digital age. Happy writing, and I'll see you in the next video for more helpful tips and tutorials.